Have you heard about the new BAL Rapid-Mat? No? Well, for the first time, you can specify and install an uncoupling mat from BAL, the market leaders in tiling. Not sure what uncoupling is? Uncoupling is a clever idea that's been around since Roman times. Put simply, it involves installing a separating material between the floor substrate and floor covering. Why is this so important? Well, problematic floors, such as timber or heated screeds, can cause movement and lateral stresses that may result in potential failures, such as cracking in the tile or tiles actually debonding. Disaster! BAL Rapid-Mat isolates the two surfaces and allows them to move independently. This prevents stresses and lateral movement being transferred to keep your tiling protected. BAL Rapid-Mat is a highly engineered uncoupling mat. At just 8.5 kilograms per roll or 270 grams per square meter and a minuscule 0.85 millimeters thick, BAL Rapid-Mat provides ultimate performance, yet ensures you benefit from a light and slim solution on site. Installation is easier than most cavity mats. Why? Because you can work faster. BAL Rapid-Mat allows immediate tiling. Simply apply a bed of suitable BAL adhesive onto the floor, roll out the mat into the wet adhesive, then apply the recommended BAL adhesive to the top. Easy. The handy gridline guide on the reverse allows for fast rollout and easy cutting with a utility knife or scissors. The mat edges are then butt jointed with no overlap, meaning no additional tapes or ancillaries are required. BAL Rapid-Mat even uses a staggering 20% less adhesive than typical cavity mats. That's 45 kilograms less adhesive per roll, keeping the pound safely in your pocket. And less adhesive means fewer mixes, making tiling quicker, which means you finish sooner. And if all this wasn't enough, BAL Rapid-Mat also comes with the BAL 25-year guarantee, providing the market-leading guarantee for uncoupling when used as a BAL system. So, go to our website for more information, or try it for yourself today.